Okay, so I got another job that kind of ties into both off-grid and the mower repair business. And since it's welding and I got to use generators, I like to do this on this channel. It's because first of all, I'm not a professional welder, so as an off-gridder, we can learn together how to weld, I suppose. And also using the generators, that's more an off-grid thing. So we'll go ahead and get this thing going. Now, as you know, I got two dual fuel generators. Dual fuel means one, they run off gas and propane. And I have one propane tank running both generators. I have a Paralink here. I've talked about this before. A Paralink here that I can tie both generators in together. That way, instead of getting 15 amps on one generator, I get 30 amps from two generators. So we'll go ahead and get this put together and started. Somebody asked the other day, does the generator have, one generator have enough power to power the grinder? And the answer is yes, one generator can power the grinder. I'm going to interrupt this video real quick and ask, at the end of this video there'll be an up next box. I'd appreciate it if you go over there and watch the video to my other channel. It's a brand new video today, and we'll be working on something. I'm not really sure what it is, and I really appreciate it for all the folks that have chipped in on this and watched the playlist. I can't thank you enough. I really do appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to use E6013 and the 332nd. I'm going to set my welder at 90 amps. I'm just trying to fill in that hole. It's not original, it's supposed to be a hole there, but I figured I'll fill it in the best I can, that way it might give it some more strength. The problem is you don't want to get too much slag. That's why I got to clean it so much. When you're filling in holes, you want to get that slag out of there. So I think that did it. That first bead is really good. The second bead was really good too, but then I had to fill in that little hole, so it made it look a little sloppy, but that's okay. We'll get it some paint. I don't have any right now. I'm going to get some this weekend, and we'll paint all this back up and make it look nice. So pretty happy about this. I'll actually probably wash it first before I paint it. So if you'll click this up next box, it'll take you to another video on my other channel, and we'll be working on lawnmowers or something. And let's see, I think that, yeah, today's video is brand new video, never been watched. So I hope I can inspire you to try a new hobby so you can live your dreams. Thanks for watching.